Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I am going to speak about BuddyPress Hashtag plugin. This plugin allows adding hashtag links to BuddyPress activity and bbPress topics. Hashtag turn into links that are used to search items based on that topics. First you need to install the plugin. You may find the plugin under WP plugin section as BuddyPress Hashtag. Click it. It will open the BuddyPress Hashtag settings interface. Click the BuddyPress hashtag. It will open up the general setting of the BuddyPress hashtag plugin. The very first setting is allow unique characters. Toggle to enable or disable the use of non-alphanumeric characters in hashtags. Enabling this overrides minimum and maximum hashtag length settings. Minimum hashtag length. This setting allows you to establish the minimum length required for hashtags. Maximum hashtag length. This setting allows you to define the maximum length permitted for hashtag within the system. By default, the maximum length is set to 16 characters. Delete hashtag index table with counts in a separate tab. To reset the index table, you may use this option. It removes the hashtag counts without deleting the post. Disable hashtag on blog post. Turn off the hashtag link on post and pages if you disable this option. Disable follow hashtag. When you follow a hashtag, you will see activities containing that hashtag in your feed, even if they are from accounts you don't follow. Now save the changes. Next setting is hashtag index. Here you can search a hashtag and delete it, but if you delete a hashtag, activity related to it will also be deleted. You can add shortcodes here and save. Now switch to the front end of the website. Go to the activity menu, click it. You can see community hashtag widget on the right hand side. It displays the hashtags that is being used so that the users can easily search the used hashtag. If you click a hashtag, the post related to it, the hashtag will appear on your feed. You can see the relevant hashtag post has been displayed in your feed. Thank you.